So here our question is divided into total 3 parts. First part is generating log both sides. After that step we'll go to exponential equation. We'll always try to find what we'll try to find some square of that x. You have understanding of this? Then one term you will take t, other will that will become simple quadratics. Quadratic find root. And third step is again by 2x. Right? 3 parts this. Okay. Now let's come to logarithm. How to solve logarithmic? Logarithmic very easy to solve logarithmic. Okay, not like you require very mathematics. No, where whatever topic here I will tell you, only you have to remember mathematics of that is already you have learned. Mathematics you have already learned. Only you have to learn. What you have to learn? Tell me. Okay. So whenever you are solving logarithmic equation, first observation is one side log should be there. One side log of something and other side sign can be anything greater than, also sign can be less than, any sign can come, any one sign will be present and that side one number k will be, okay. Like one question, log x square greater than log okay na? The logarithmic inequation, want to solve logarithmic, that understanding one side one log should be there and other side one number there, that number. So anything can. Means here one side log, here one side log. This is inequality. We have to generate one log on one side, other side simple. What I will do? This log I will take that side, that number. As I told you, a can be. You are learning when I am solving logarithmic inequation, all things should be that side. Okay. Now after that, so this is the first understanding. Second understanding, what is the second step? Second step will find domain. Second step, I will find domain. How will find domain of this log? Simply this part I will solve. Part I will. Okay. Third part. Third is the and after fourth part you will get. What is the third step? See, third step, suppose log is there. For this, base is there 2 and something is written here, and suppose greater than sign is there. Either this you will see, or either you will see like that, log base is by 2